Hello friends, welcome back to RB English Academy. In this video, we are about to discuss a topic, analytical essays. Let's get into the session. An analytical essay should present some argument and then to analyze it thoroughly. We usually write descriptive essays in our school times or in colleges. In descriptive writing, we used to summarize the whole things as a essay. But in analytical essays, we have to include some argument and we have to analyze the same problem thoroughly. We can analyze about a movie, an event, or even a scientific research. For example, if we analyze a movie, we used to call it as a review. We used to analyze the entire thing after watching the movie. For example, we used to judge the characters or criticize the plot or criticize the songs, musics, or anything. So, like that, in analytical essays, we have to analyze the entire movie or an event or even a scientific research. And if you want to write an analytical essay, we should study the entire background about the issue what we are going to write in our essay. You don't have to summarize the whole things in your analytical work, but make an analysis. We should not summarize or we should not narrate the entire story. For example, if you are writing an essay about a book, you should analyze how the author wrote it, which methods they used, and how this book impacts on its readers, and what is the background of the book, and what culture it depends, and those things we can analyze through a book. In descriptive writing, we used to write the summary of the entire book or entire story, but in analytical essay, we should analyze all the important things. What is the purpose of an analytical essay? Analytical essays serve two purposes, one for the reader and one for the writer. Analytical papers help the students to grow as writers and thinkers. It boosts a student's writing skills and enhance their comprehension of a particular topic. So it helps the students to develop their writing and thinking skills. Analytical essays also benefit readers. Newspapers and magazines routinely publish critical essays to help their readers make sense of the news of the day. Here I have given you the difference between analytical essay versus descriptive essay. Analytical essay presents an argument supported by evidence, and descriptive essay takes the form of book summaries, film reviews, and descriptive articles. In simple words, analytical essay maximum deals with interpretation and descriptive essay deals with summaries. Analytical essay must have a thesis statement and it must have a clear structure. And in descriptive essay, we don't want to follow any structure and it is not necessary to have thesis statement. And here I have given you few steps to write an analytical essays. Step 1. Preparing. Decide what to write. Come up with a thesis statement. Find supporting evidence for your thesis statement and make an outline for your entire essay. And in step 2, structure. Every essay has a beginning, middle, and an end. In an essay, the first paragraph is introduction. The following paragraphs are termed as body of an essay, and finally, the last paragraph is conclusion. Before writing an analytical essays, we should know what is thesis statement. A thesis statement is one or two sentences at the end of the first paragraph that tells the main idea of the entire essay. Usually, the thesis statement will appear at the end of the first paragraph and it tells about the main idea of the whole essay. A thesis statement should do three things. It should express what the essay is about. It should make a discussable point. It should indicate the structure of essay. These are the roles of thesis statement. And here I have given you few topics regarding analytical essay. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.